As long as you're getting audio. Do you have any sound indicators? Volume indicators? Okay, not a big deal then. All right. Actually, these are really good because you can hear whispers, or you can get normal voice. So it works out really well, and it should be okay in the mind because we're not going to have a whole lot of background noise. All right, I'm going to go to the other mic. So, hang on a second.
Like that.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Okay, number 2.
Is that number? Okay, number 2. How is that? Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, and
I didn't even hear myself.
whoa, okay. Whisper, 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 normal voice, and that's good. We'll see what the sound, or we'll let you pull the card on that, and then you can see. We'll see what the sounds like.